Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. I'm sure that you must be missing the street food in this lockdown time. Craving for some momos? So yes, here we are with the recipe of veg momos. So let's start cooking. Before starting the recipe, I really want to thank all of you for showing so much love to our channel. Keep on subscribing to our channel, pinch off everything for more upcoming videos. For making our veg momos, in a mixing bowl, we are taking 1 chopped onions, 1 chopped carrot, 1 freshly chopped capsicum and ginger. Friends, you can also take any other veggies or cabbage into the momo stuffing if you want. Up next, we will be adding half tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of pepper. Now mix all of them together nicely. After mixing it nicely, we will keep the stuffing aside for few minutes and then we will take another mixing bowl and we will take 1 cup of maida, half tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of oil and we will mix it. Mix it and add water just to knead the dough. Knead it to a smooth and soft dough, adding water as required. Friends, I know you all must be really getting bored in this lockdown period. So do subscribe to our channel and see other recipes as well, and do try it at home and tell us and give your feedback. Now you can see the soft dough is ready. We will grease it with the oil and keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes to let it rest. While the dough is resting, up next squeeze all the water from the stuffing. We are adding paneer to the stuffing for adding more flavor and to make it more yummy and healthy. Mix it and mash it nicely with the vegetable stuffing. We are taking few red chilies, let's say 7 to 8 chilies in a bowl, and we will boil it for making our momos red chutney. Meanwhile, our red chilies are nicely boiled. We all can see that. Now time to turn off the flame and let it rest till it cools down. Now our dough has taken a lot of rest. Let's knead it again for a minute and it is ready. Now we have started making the balls with the ready dough. Here you go. Make sure that you don't make very large size balls. Make small size balls. The balls are ready. Now dust with some maida and start to roll using a rolling pin. We are not going to take a very large size, just like a chapati. We will be taking a small size. The base should not be thick, it should be thin so that we can have the perfect softness while eating the momos. Now, time to add 1 tablespoon of prepared stuffing of our veggies at the center. Once they are added, start pleating the edges slowly and gather everything together. Friends, be a little careful while doing this step, as the veggies can come out also or our momos can get break also. Now once it is pleated nicely, press in middle and seal the momo, forming a bundle. Similarly, you can make all the other momos repeating the same process. Of course, you have to make many of them because all the kids and the family members will be eagerly waiting to taste them. After trying this recipe, do tell us that have you enjoyed while making the momos or not, and also tell us in the comment section what else you are trying in this lockdown period. We would surely love to hear from you all. Now meanwhile the momos are getting ready, you can heat a steamer for arranging the momos into it. If you don't have a steamer, no need to worry. You can use a pan or any other beaker. Fill it up with water. Place a strainer on top of it and grease it with oil. And it will do the same work as a steamer do it. Now we are placing all the ready momos into the steamer, and as we all are following social distancing, so why not our momos will also follow that. So we will not keep the momos touching each other. We will keep them at a distance. Now close the strainer with the lid and let it steam up for 10 to 15 minutes till a shiny sheen appears over it. Let's start making our momos chutney. Take the boiled red chilies in a grinder. Then take 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil into it. You can also add 1 chopped tomato to make it more sweet and less of spicy. Grind it nicely. Now let's check. Yes, our lovely momos are ready and they are looking very yummy and shiny and steamy. So let's serve them. It's time to serve our veg momos with the delicious momos chutney. You can garnish the chutney with coriander leaves and they are ready to eat. Enjoy this recipe with your family members. No need to miss all the momos points anymore because you can make them at your home. Binge on them as much as you want and your kids will love it. Go on and try this recipe after hitting the like button and give the feedback in the comment section below. I will see you super soon with another recipe. Till then, stay home, stay safe.